Dekwaro lao nyo lao kachiro institution ukatu kere jama pola popat amagino tero ne obino timo gini memi yogi bedo kere kare memede kere yoba me wiru Dr. Engineer Michael Odongo Okune mebedo Wonnyaci mena machelo bedo joro adot nyimu kihu majoro adot mena mario bedo kwayo oda metutunu megengo ko ketitich ngola okihu ama okatu ametia gengo wiru Odongo Okune achalo Wonnyaci mena madeka mo kato ichohere matura amubere lao cultural center inindu ashel medwe ma para shell ubero jobera awuyu yibashe apola popat duwari otker me Uganda inyima duong lobo menyute ni gin porti kere chwaka duong ko Odongo Okune kere tite ni gin do tio wiru Odongo Okune ko mena mangwen ubedo meda nyim ka kere wiru Odongo Okune akade kunu ngola ama ukate nyimu kihu potie achung yen dang ubino timo mano ko churu dang to wiru Odongo Okune ko akade kunu abili uworo ker ko alok pe lao cultural institution ameda nu beda pilida ametia chungi Odongo Okune kere wichere mano kwi Patrick oterni chik yeyigi me wot joro adot nyodang kwayo kihu me katu kere gengo me tutunu me gengo ketitich ngola amo kato enyimu kihu okwiru terni en pe bedo kere ngech ni chohere amenuti cultural center ubedo dok me wiru Odongo Okune enotir ni kao timer ni amano nupe pore bien gina shalo pilida umeti jo ame kino tu chunggi miro lob chik kaduong me Uganda achalo onywali ame lobo chik enotir ni kino tu yele timo jami dusha me mite meneno ni yoba me wiru Odongo Okune umede anyim loko kwir man ukati wi yamo me voice of lao ininda chele dunga para chel ichawa me cho herada unutia wot kere nyim ikachoro center jami moga amobero timere cho hera moberi cultural center ame ochach nyo critics peo maro tieye chelo kere gweng mutoha amotamani nubero ma ambassador Dickson Ogwang Okul kere loka rashi komotela mogo melao megino tamani pe tia ashwakogi ukwiru tir ni utiho dorwenyo gini chena duong dang wela pol yai iloba pola popat utiho tunu do ko Uganda kanne beri kwera man ame ngolo kwera man nu karogi kana tag meshel dan urwenyo chena duong ame nu pe pore atwale
rie winyo ora biro ngwa chel peninga kota papel tia chela kene Uganda kanene
yes
romri winyo pilli er karake nu remedy unity metone ti agent ka kaina na mai wani ene wana tu met ni coronation team ngwa
waranyi yes
er ka oloji ngapel kite ikota papel romri winyo muda don karake ne status quo ti la harako and that kind of thing ye ina mete applying for appeal menu remedy amoluni staying of execution me kwayo kota me ochwalo ngola no me kong mi yuk ngola mer no ngo ket ngola mer ti because appeal not ye karkan appeal ram la kong ngola no ira mati applying to koto and no ma koto kere ngola no
okay
un registrar tigere tor me winyo ka registrar po mi pera o ye kedi kudera ora timo ana same application me yoko kutichi ingola me okati ai koto no ikoto appeal kana unity appeal ye tikang ye
yes
so man visible remedies I want to time exploring we no ko report me akatu about clients wa there's also what we call interim stay man no when you call your because kayina na momot you ba me coronation ti do no waramalo ta ha kayina na mo kayina ngolle me yas garden in order to times ucha ko yo woro ukarna ma ko don kunu dignitaries wela ma luo tiena ma confirming bino gi inana tie lo kiti jo mo por riwore Entebbe airport ting me Nigeria bini wo cha bi shela tamna do tie ringa kwena tie ringa dong lera kana na because tijo then true tijo me pola me pe o ke bero ke ringa chengola ni ene because bini cha wara chutwal ame tu me degi na mere nyim ke program me tie wore nyim I want to believe ni na jo ame ti got to he kucha ti wore nyim ke ngo ke program to me ngamo tiye to me ngamo tiye ni ene
yes
jo pola ke ko wetira do bino fa na president Museveni ko comment da do o mohoni bino na te lo ke mi ana bero ke gen mi bino wana woro no advance team ma ya kwena ya officer duongo o bero ke gi me ga menenno kita me ge tena me jo tikere me donyo tenda duonga ke te ka kwena tenda Wonnyaci jo ke to ka kwena tenda wela don be ka kwena wano ke no be ka kwena kana thing da ko bia na wela wa bino ohoni nga ge bino ya kwena timo gina due diligence kom jone nenno to rugi dikuni en woro tema gina covid test because karkan ron la tegen kera duong jo me ajo la duong da meno tem covid test nyira ma mi yatura ka duong bino me da tem covid test asha za me abino mi jo pi ni ti jo ka wo ko nyere gin du tem pero mi tem covid test two one securing service providers man jo ami wachiem jo ami wapi yati mjamo pola tieno kana ma choro halfway tieno kana ma choro fully now kai ni beno na mo doctor we ko mengo me yo bani the question do tieni kai kato ke ngora beru kitiena amepeo jo keto ngora no eti where does it live now where does it live now
yes.
So those are possibilities ame wana tio nenno kuno koro kada duoge mengo Mecho Harametia were him, like a clan, what to do. But we are ready for either way. We're ready for either way. And until like what any Kagame were instruction, I met yet Rataking on your tamone.
Yes.
One of the two you jump to a meet Nanani, Namachelo to appeal. No interim order, major could teach teaching all my work at Tokene. I go programming a coronation to me. Pegang appeal war and him. And I want to pay injuring the other party to kata kind of lost a mere bed occasion by Ketonganiti doing long poker on the other side. I think that is my comment for now.
Kaso onyo item nung report ana nuo metia koboni chokere me cultural center o la hero do coronation
Panu pare ngechuan no pe anpati kunno anati office at the documents over here and there and also making consultations here and there that around go chim kunno because I believe no meeting here with him
true
party on you but one chalo piluda tamane it is advisable me your clients were complying with the court orders because one of the law-abiding citizen and nobody is above the law. So if that is the position, then it is quite unfortunate. But as of now, it is still a rumor to me. I cannot confirm.
Okay.
Or deny, for that matter.
Okay.
Itung chel alok bia Billy me North Kyoga, Patrick Jimmy Okema, Otitu don kune kere wichere, kere Ambassador Dickson Ogwang Okul kere wichere, me waro ngola ukihu, beo to mede kere yobo. Wira ukematir ni ability hoyabo ko book me yanyungech ama hotim me chielo otoha ubada adeka chel abich da ame utamani uberu ma Ambassador Dickson Ogwang Okul I Cultural Center ukematir ni ability upokare tuak ping duch me lao me neno ni kushu beratie kere ngatoro peo mede ke ruchu wijo.
We want to encourage both parties to respect the court ruling and remain calm. We will not allow any illegal actions to be carried out under the names of Lamu Cultural Foundation or Lamu Cultural Institutions. We equally call for calm from supporters on both sides, since everyone has been eagerly awaiting the court's ruling, which has been issued. In a similar way, we strongly condemn the act of damaging vehicle registration number UBD 315D, a Toyota Highlander, from Lao Cultural Center today, 1st November 2024, around 8:30 hours. This vehicle is alleged to be number 2 of His Highness Yushamudu Bill, the Wonnyaci of Lango. We have registered a general inquiry file at Lera Central Police Station to investigate the circumstances under which the vehicle was damaged and to apprehend the perpetrators to face the law. The planned coronation on 2nd November 2024 will now not take place until a new court order is in place. We encourage the general public to remain calm and to continue with normal business activities as it used to be. We will conduct motorized and foot patrols within and around Lira City, as well as the whole region, to ensure peace and security prevails.
Achojo amaro Wonnyaci of Lango Yosham Oduribi tie kede lela duong tutwal ite bohe kede Lira City I Palms Garden pinyutu yom chunji kom ngola kihu ame oduoho muse Yosham Oduribi ukoi komere achalo Wonnyaci of Lango apoya tek tutwal me winyu manbo yo mende news today a Lao News Channel Nyabedo Denish Ongora.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.